So then the question becomes, well, what is driving the magma to rise in the center of the mid-ocean ridge? And we've gone over this several times, so this should be no surprise to know that density is what's driving it. If it's less dense, then it's rising, and that density is a function of temperature. So just as these hot air balloons are floating up because the air in them is hot and therefore less dense than the air around them, the magma at the mid-ocean ridge is floating up because it has been heated and it is less dense than the magma around it. And I'd like to be clear at this point about the material that we're talking about. We've already said that the stiff and soft plastics are what compose the mantle. So I don't want you guys to think that underneath the lithosphere there is this flowing river of molten magma. What it is rock, but it is plastic rock. So it's got the consistency sort of silly putty or maybe Play-Doh. Those materials, as you can imagine, as you heat, they become less viscous and they're easier to move. The same is true if you heat them; they become less dense. So heat is a good thing to add to if you expect the material to rise through the mantle.